It's called alliteration. It's pretty neat. When words start with the same sound, it makes language dance and bound. Alliteration, it's so fun to say. With repeating sounds, we'll learn and play. Jumping, jiving, joyful and bright, alliteration makes words take flight. Ally alligator, Camille cat, silly salmon smiles, and squirrels scamper too. Alliteration helps us learn what to do. Polly Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. With alliteration, words dance and flutter. From bouncing balls to shiny stars, alliteration helps words go far. Let's play a game! Choose a word to create an alliteration sentence. The answers are: Faye had fantastic fun with her family. Sam ate 6 sundaes. Aunt Amber ate the apple. Now you know about alliteration's charm. Keep listening and you'll hear it alarm. So next time you hear words that repeat, remember alliteration. It's really neat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Click the link in the description to get educational resources. Thanks for watching.